MOE, nigga. Work. MOE. It's MOE. Ha. Yo. 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 Rep City, we going up in the club, boy. We showing love, I'm from the struggle, so I go hard. Better watch the shit you talking, bro. I don't play, better ask questions, it's too strong. We money flexing, got jack boys, but their fingers itching. We run shit and teach lessons. We popping bottles of rock, boy. Blowing through to take off, boy. And all the groupies wanna fuck with me, but my main chicks from the block, boy. I grew up on the rough side of my city, dog. It's crunch time. If you ain't making money with them track boys, and your life ain't gon' touch mine. Vince mixed with Prada shoes, my black flag get designer too. Louis Brim and my snapback, I'm flexing on them like Meek, dude. There's levels to the shit and I pity the fool. Rolex with black diamonds, I'm a problem child, never sit in school. You fall lead like says Simon, I pledge violence, I spit stupid. It's fuck love, I'm Haze Cupid. My clip full of rock while I snap my fingers, they gon' shoot you. Anybody got a problem, just go ahead and just speak your mind. Talk about that life you live, boy, you gangsta and I'm lying. You don't want to battle me, go ahead, get handled quick. 2 pumps from that shotgun, boy, you're gon' be laying quick in that casket, boy. 6 feet deep, I'm rasking, boy. Keep on with that gang shit and get what you're asking for. Samsung with that Tech 9, bullets ripped to your buck mine. Everybody can't keep that, but I say yeah, fuck 9. You don't wanna keep playing games, boy. I'ma terrorize your mind. Fuck around with Kid Kami, guaranteed to get your ass flying.